here on this expedition to undertake the beginnings of a nodule restoration experiment in the deep sea on behalf of Dr. Sabine Gollner from the Royal Netherlands Institute for Sea Research. We have a setup of frames containing 25 nodules that we are deploying in 3 different areas: a no-nodule area, a direct impact area that was made by a dredge impact on this expedition, and a reference area, an area that has nodules but hasn't been disturbed. And we want to find out if these fake nodules that are made from commercially available clays, deep sea clays, and also some real nodules in there as well as a control, if they will afford a suitable habitat for re-colonization of biological communities that used to exist in those areas before a mining impact. The frames are deployed on an elevator in cages, and they are distributed across the seabed using a remotely operated vehicle, or an ROV. We made a dredge impact. This is the main kind of point of the experiment. We've laid 27 frames down in the tracks of the dredge impact, and we're using box cores to collect nodules from the 3 different areas as well, to actually get a much better understanding of the biological communities that live there right now, to be able to compare them later with the organisms that may settle on these combination of real and fake nodules that we've deployed. Having collected data, i.e. boxcore nodules, pre-impact, we want to see also what is happening in these tracks maybe in 5 to 10 years' time. We recovered 3 nodule frames that had been left on the seabed for about 5 weeks, and we already found one worm that settled on one of the fake nodules, and this fake nodule resembled the most maybe a real nodule from that area. That is a really, really good sign of hopefully things to come. Yeah.